Welcome to ACT Notes Tutorials. My name is Professor Ryan, and I am going to give you a quick tutorial on the Risk Management Plan, or what I call a RMP. What is a risk management plan? A risk management plan is prepared by a project manager to address risks, their potential impact on the program, and ways to reduce these risks. The RMP tells the government and contractor team how they plan on reducing risks to a certain level by a certain time. The definition of a risk management plan is a detailed document that explains an organization's risk management process. What is risk management? Risk management is a continuous process that is accomplished throughout the life cycle of a system and should begin at the earliest stages of program planning. It is an organized methodology for continuously identifying and measuring the unknowns, developing mitigation options, selecting, planning, and implementing appropriate risk mitigations, and tracking the implementation to ensure successful risk reduction. Effective risk management depends on risk management planning, early identification and analyses of risks, early implementation of corrective actions, continuous monitoring and reassessment, and communication, documentation, and coordination. What are the risk management plan objectives? The objective of a well-written risk management plan is to provide a repeatable process that reduces risk on a project or program. The following are a few objectives of a risk management plan that an organization can aim for. Reduce schedule impacts. Reduce development cost. Increase system performance. Ensure proper communication. And finally, determine risk priorities. The risk management process consists of 8 steps and should be detailed in the risk management plan. Step 1. Document the risk approach. Step 2. Identify and document risks. Step 3. Assess and document risk. Step 4. Identify and document risk mitigation measures. Step 5. Reduce risk. Step 6. Verify, validate, and document risk reduction. Step 7. Accept risk and document. And finally, Step 8. Manage lifecycle risk. What are the risk management plan development steps? The development of a risk management plan consists of 10 steps. Step 1. Establish the basic approach and working structure. Step 2. Develop and document an overall risk management process. Step 3. Establish the purpose and objective. Step 4. Assign responsibilities for specific areas. Step 5. Describe the assessment and analysis process. Step 6. Document sources of information. Step 7. List potential risk and their impacts. Step 8. Develop mitigation strategies. Step 9. Establish reporting and tracking procedures. And finally, Step 10. Write the plan. What is the risk management plan format? The risk management plan should follow a standardized format from your organization. An example format is Introduction, Program Summary, Risk Management Strategy and Process, Responsible and Executing Organization, Risk Management Process and Procedures, Risk Identification, Risk Assessment Matrix, Risk Analysis, Risk Mitigation Planning, Risk Mitigation Implementation, and finally, Risk Tracking. Here are a few risk management plan tips. The risk management plan should detail how to use the risk reporting matrix to determine the level of risks identified within a program. The level of risk for each root cause is reported as low, green, moderate, yellow, or high, red. Writing a good risk management plan. The key to writing a good plan is to provide the necessary information so the program team knows the goals, objectives, and the program office's risk management process. Although the plan may be specific in some areas, such as the assignment of responsibilities for government and contractor participants and definitions, it may be general in other areas to allow users to choose the most efficient way to proceed. The Program Management Office should periodically review and update the plan at major acquisition events. At the end of each acquisition phase, risk planning should be used in preparation for the next phase. And finally, the risk management plan is integral to overall program planning and should be addressed in the program acquisition strategy and the systems engineering plan. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the risk management plan. For more information, including templates, visit the webpage. Congratulations on finishing this tutorial and thanks for visiting ACT Notes.